Hello, welcome to CS Building Services series. Today we'll talk about basic hand tools to have around the home. So hand tool 1 is a hammer. It's called banging in nails. So banging in nails for like putting things together or just put a nail banging in. Another tool. So wire snip pliers. For snipping wire off by doing electrical work, or even snipping bits of metal. A torch to see in the dark, or with a fuse, borrow something in the fuse box to light it up so you can see what you're doing. So very useful tools to see what you're doing. Then pliers for gripping or even cutting. A hacksaw for cutting through metal. Screwdrivers to go taking stuff out, undoing screws, tightening screws, putting stuff together, dismantling things. So that's screwdrivers. Philip and flathead. A drill to go taking stuff for drilling holes, or you keep using it as a spanner, put a spanner attachment in it, or you can also use it as a screwdriver. So a drill. A spirit level to go leveling things out. See if you're putting a shelf up or something, to make sure it's level. Make sure the bubble is in the middle on that one. Do it sideways, make sure it's in the middle on that one. And that one, make sure it's sideways. So that's spirit level. A craft knife, they go cutting things like lino or carpet or something. A carpenter's tool, so craft knife is for cutting. Water pump pliers, used in plumbing for gripping nuts, but you are better off using a spanner for gripping nuts, or for gripping in plumbing than using a spanner. So that's water pump pliers. An adjustable spanner, very good for flat packs or if you're putting something together that has nuts. So an adjustable spanner, or an adjustable spanner, which you can change the size of the nuts. So very useful tool. A tape measure to go measuring things out and then cut it straight to something, or you're measuring to do something. So that's a tape measure. So everyone should have one of them. A socket set for nuts as well. Socket sets are very useful. You've got your spark plug socket, and you've got all your sockets for, like, say if you want to fix your bicycle or your car or something. Everything's here for that job. That's a socket set. And last but not least, a handsaw for cutting wood. So that's all the most basic hand tools to have around the home. And if I did point any out, please put it down in the comments. So thank you for watching CS Building Services, and the next video is how to use a hacks safely. So goodbye.